Welcome back to another exciting episode of Glenn's Hot Rod Garage. I present to you my 2011 Chevy Tahoe. You might ask yourself, this is a hot rod channel. Why is he working on an SUV? Well, let me explain. I got 5-6 project cars, daily driver trucks, anything you can think of. Here is a way for me to get a low mileage vehicle for reasonable cost so I can continuously waste all of my money on my hot rods. Well, this is a 2011 Tahoe. It has 113,000 miles on it. It was my sister's. I know she took care of it, so when she totaled it, the insurance estimate for this was nearly $10,000. I said, hey, I'll give you some money for that if you buy it off the insurance company. She said, okay. I paid for it, and here it sits. I drove it home. So I assessed the damage. We did some frame pulling on it, as you'll see in the next video clip. Back up. That's good. kind of rough pulled it, took a little assessment of all the parts I need, and I headed out to the local pick-a-part. And there, transparency, honesty, whatever you want to call it, I took 3 trips to the pick-a-part. So, what did I get? I don't have it in this shot because it's still in the trailer. Upon inspection, when doing our pulls with our custom frame machine, one of the bars is broken off the core support. So on the first trip, I picked up a core support with the washer bottle and this driver's side front fender and all the mounting hardware that goes along with it. You always just make those included in the deal. So I paid $112 for this fender, the wheel well, the core support, and the washer bottle. Then I went back to look at a hood because I'm subscribed to US Auto's Facebook page, and I seen a Suburban with a hood on it, so I went back for a hood. I actually took it off and realized later that it was more damaged than I wanted to deal with, so I scoured the yard for a bunch more hoods, and they were all in various states of ugliness, and it would have been cheaper at that point to find a hood aftermarket and just paint it. Sometimes you have to do a little body work on those, so it's not the end all be all. But for instance, like buying this fender, this bracket here that mounts the fender to the bumper to the fender rather. If you have to buy all this stuff separately, it nickels and dimes you to death, and you could end up spending a fortune on fixing something like this. But even if I didn't want to use this fender, the inner wheel well, that bracket, some of the other little things pretty much add up to the cost of what you're paying. So this isn't a bad way out. So on the trip to buy the hood that I didn't get, I found these headlights in this upper grille support. That stuff came up to $77. So then I went to another pick-a-part known as Parts Galore on the north side of Detroit, and picked up this hood for $60. Doesn't have any real rust to speak of on it. It has a couple minor dents. There's a dent in this area, and there's a dent in this area. So after I cut them in and put them on the vehicle, I'll do the minor body work and spot prime them, and maybe drive it in the meantime. I need this vehicle for a golf outing we're going to be attending in 2 or 3 weeks up north. So I want to get this on the road before then. Yeah, so there's a couple little dents here and a couple little dents here we'll take care of. But for now, we're just going to get this stuff on. I'm cutting it in so I don't have to take it back off, but we'll fix the other stuff after that. Other than that, it needs a set of tires. That probably can wait till after the trip, but so I paid $1,600 from the truck. I paid $60 for the hood. I got 2 matching wear headlights in the upper grille support for $77 and $112 for the fender. I looked online. There's a bumper available from carparts.com for, I believe one was $125. Don't quote me on that because sometimes you have to really get in there and read what you're buying to make sure it's the right deal. And there's another online paint store. I can't remember the name of it. I'll show it on the in the bottom of the video where I'm buying the paint from and how much it is. It's $183 for the base coat, the reducer, the clear coat, and the hardener. I'll keep a running tab on all the incidentals I need to finish this up and get back to you guys with a total. But I mean, look at this thing. It's jewel red. That's one reason I'm getting the paint online. You can't buy a pint of base coat at a local auto paint store for the price I'm paying for hopefully all the stuff that I need to paint this. Check it out. This thing's loaded. It's got power seats, power windows. It's got a towing package on it. It's a 5.3 flex fuel. I mean, rear, I believe it has rear heat and air conditioning. Yeah, it does. And third row seating. We don't have the seat, but I'm going to get that from my sister later. But I know she's taken care of this and she's owned it for her whole life. So I know it'll be a good vehicle for me. Probably last me through retirement. Thanks for watching. Glenn's Hot Rod Garage.